Hello and welcome to secy Dental Academy. I am Dr. Neeraj Wadhawan and I had posted a video around a week or 10 days back regarding the date expectation for NEET MDS 2025, and I was of the view that around 26th to 31st the date should come as we know normally. The date did not come. I was expecting maybe the Republic Day celebrations and all. After that date will come. It did not come. Then the next expectation was that around 7th, 8th or 10th February maximum the date should come for NEET MDS exam. The date has still not come, and finally there is a lot of impasse, there is a lot of conjecture going on that the exam might go to June 2025, which will be, believe me, not a very good thing for us dental people. The talk that is going on is basically that the MDS exam might be merged with the NEET PG exam, which is supposed to be held in June of 2025. And believe me, every year we keep on fighting that MDS dental people should be separated from the medical people, and now the situation is going that we are going to be merged with them. Perhaps there is no official confirmation for it. Point is, as you see behind me, the point is, do the Dental Council of India and the government really care for the upcoming MDS aspirants and the dental students as a whole? That is the thing we need to ask. We need to question as to whether they take us seriously or not. Okay, at the end of the day, you guys are suffering. Many students have been preparing since October 2023. So, till June, they are going to be preparing for nearly 2 years with no exam. This is a mess, believe me, it's a mess. And you guys need to raise voice against this injustice. At least, even if they want to merge it with the NEET PG exam in June, at least they should give a circular regarding the clarity on the potential date or the date they want to give for NEET MDS exam. There is also another possibility. Very soon they might just come up with a circular that the NEET MDS exam is going to be held after 3 weeks maybe, okay, in the mid-March, where it is supposed to be. Normally it is being held for the last couple of years. So, and then that is going to cause a panic amongst the students. So point is, we need to ask again, do the Dental Council of India really care for us as people who are preparing, as the potential people who are going to take the profession forward? Do the DCI and government really care? It's time to wake them up from their long slumber. You guys need to respond. You guys need to really up the ante on the social media. I've just put a few of the email IDs for the Dental Council of India. Okay, these are a few of the email IDs. I'll share them in the YouTube link also in the comments box, and you can take all these email IDs, and you should write an email and CC to all these addresses regarding your concern. At least there should be some clarity. When do they expect us to prepare for the exam? Exam is not कि आप कभी भी ले लो and we can prepare for it. There is a way in which you prepare. There is a time when you are best prepared. So you have to plan your preparation. You have to time your preparation accordingly. This is for the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. They also need to be apprised regarding the condition, the bad condition the NEET MDS aspirants are in right now. Okay, this is the email ID hfm@gov.in, and few of the email IDs also are here regarding the top people in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. They should be bombarded. There should be at least 500 to 1000 mails from the students going to these addresses. So then they will take it seriously. Few emails by people like us, okay, inconsequential people like us, some of the students like you, will not really help. There have to be at least hundreds of emails should go. So you have to really ask your friends, okay, your juniors, your seniors, whosoever is at stake right now. They should write to these emails. When they get 500 emails in their email boxes, they'll take it seriously. So my request is, I'll share all these email links below in the comment section. Write your own email regarding clarity on the NEET MDS exam expected date or a definitive date, and then let's see what happens. Only when the crowd starts to push, the people at the top really are moved. So you guys need to take the initiative right now. Otherwise you will be the people who will suffer. We will also suffer with you, but yes, the primary sufferers would be you. So the onus is on you right now, okay, to spread this message across all the groups and ask all your friends, all the people who are the stakeholders, to write an email and get a response from these people. Okay, so I'm winding up this video right now. Let's see what happens. Bye bye.